shampoos are a lifesaver on those no-wash hair days. Natural DIY dry shampoos will save you some cash, and you'll know exactly what's going into your hair. Grab your favorite mixing bowl, say goodbye to greasy locks, and hello to fabulous hair. Let's go! First, we'll share the recipes, but stay until the end to know how to apply it properly, which powders you can use on their own, and for more tips. Arrowroot powder and lavender. The most used ingredient for DIY dry shampoos is arrowroot powder because it has absorbent properties that can help to soak up excess oil and impurities from the hair and scalp, which leaves your hair looking fresh and clean. It's a fine white powder made from the root of the arrowroot plant, which is great for blonde, white, gray, or silver hair because it's almost invisible when used on lighter tones of hair. But if you're a brunette or have dark hair, don't worry. You can add other ingredients to give it a brown, darker tone. We'll share it in the recipe. Arrowroot can also help to add volume and texture to the hair. Plus, it's easy to use and can be customized with your favorite essential oils or herbs for added benefits. So, what's the recipe? You'll need 1/4 cup arrowroot powder, 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil. You can also substitute the lavender oil to rosemary or tea tree oil. And if you're a brunette, you'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, which you can adjust to match your hair color. We recommend using organic and natural products as much as possible for all recipes to avoid bad ingredients and chemicals that can damage your hair. So if you're looking for a safe way to keep your hair looking fresh between washes, arrowroot powder is definitely worth a try. Spice it up! Cinnamon and arrowroot dry shampoo. Add a little spice to your life and hair with this recipe. Not only does it absorb oil, but it also adds volume and a warm and inviting scent to your locks. Cinnamon powder is also thought to stimulate circulation in the scalp, which may help to improve hair growth, hence double the benefits. This recipe is perfect for those with darker hair as the cinnamon can add a subtle hint of color to your locks. Be cautious though, cinnamon can be good to use, but it also can be irritating to the scalp if not used properly or left on the hair for too long. So, if you're planning to use cinnamon, make sure to mix it with the other powders like arrowroot to dilute its potency, and don't delay your hair wash for too long. So, what's the recipe? You'll need 1/4 cup arrowroot powder, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil as an option. Enjoy the sweet and spicy aroma it leaves behind. Enjoying these tips? Smack that like button. YouTube will reach the video out to more people to help them with their hair as well. All thanks to you. Tropical Coconut and Arrowroot Dry Shampoo. Dreaming of a tropical getaway? Bring the beach to your bathroom with this coconut flower and arrowroot powder recipe. It adds volume, absorbs oil, and smells like paradise. What do you need to feel like a tropical beach babe? 1/4 cup arrowroot powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil as an option. Did you know that coconut flour is packed with nutrients that can help promote healthy hair growth? Give this recipe a try and enjoy the sweet, sweet smell of paradise and its hair benefits. Want to stay up to date on all the best tips? Go ahead and subscribe. Your hair will thank you. Herbal Dry Shampoo. Hey there, herb enthusiast! If you're looking to add natural goodness to your hair care routine, then this herbal recipe is sure to be a hit. You'll need 1/4 cup arrowroot powder, 2 tablespoons dried lavender buds, 2 tablespoons dried rosemary leaves, and 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil as an option. This recipe not only helps to absorb excess oil from your hair, but also leaves behind a lovely scent and nourishing herbal benefits. Lavender can help soothe an irritated scalp, while rosemary can stimulate hair growth and add shine. So go ahead and embrace your inner herbalist and enjoy the natural benefits this has to offer. Now, how do you use these recipes? Easy peasy. Simply combine the ingredients, first by mixing powders together and then adding the essential oil if needed. Apply the mixture to your roots, massage and work it with your fingers, then brush it out. Avoid getting too much powder on the ends of your hair to avoid dry split ends. You can also use a small makeup brush or powder puff to apply the mixture. Here's another tip you really need to know before applying any mixture or powder. Make sure to detangle your hair first to remove all knots so it makes it easier to apply and spread the dry shampoo through all your strands. You'll be amazed by TangleGenie. TangleGenie helps you remove the most stubborn knots and tangles from dry or damp hair, beach hair, bedhead, and more. It does all this without worrying about breaking your strands and prevents your hair from damages other detangling methods can cause. All thanks to its unique 360-degree flexible bristle design. Be sure to give it a go for a pain-free detangling experience. Other things to keep in mind. Cornmeal, oatmeal, and rice flour are other ingredients that can be used as a replacement for arrowroot powder. Their absorbent properties can help soak up excess oil and odors from the scalp and hair, leaving it clean and refreshed. Since these are very fine, lightweight powders, you might need to use a bit more of these to get the desired effect. It's also important to keep in mind that different hair types and colors may react differently to these ingredients, so it's a good idea to do a small patch test on a strand of hair before using it on your entire head. And start by applying a small amount of the mixture instead of using all of it. You might not need as much depending on your hair. Are there powders you can use on their own? Yes. Tapioca starch. Tapioca starch is known for its excellent absorbent properties, making it a great choice for those of you with oily hair. Plus, it's a lightweight powder that won't weigh your hair down. Instead, it'll give you a voluminous look. However, as with any dry shampoo recipe, use in moderation and adjust the amount of tapioca starch to suit your hair type and needs. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you can always cook up some delicious tapioca pudding while you wait for your dry shampoo to absorb, or maybe not. Let's stick to hair care for now, shall we? We'll share how to use these powders right after sharing the next two powders. Cacao powder. This ingredient might make you crave hot chocolate, but it's actually wonderful to absorb the extra oil from your roots and clarify dirt from the scalp and hair. It also provides nourishment to your strands as it's made from ground cacao beans. It is rich in antioxidants, iron, magnesium, and zinc, as well as other nutrients that are beneficial for your hair and scalp health. It can help to protect hair cells from damage caused by free radicals, strengthen your strands, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth by transporting oxygen and required nutrients throughout the body. It's perfect for brunettes, but it also works on lighter hair shades. Rice flour. This fine flour can be used as dry shampoo to absorb excess oil and add volume to your hair. Rice flour can be a great option for those with fine or thin hair, as it's lightweight and won't weigh your locks down. It will actually add volume. But it's important to note that rice flour can also be drying to the scalp if used in excess. So, as with any dry shampoo recipe, use in moderation and adjust the amount to suit your hair. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you can always add some seasoning to your rice flour for a tasty treat. Just kidding. So, how do you make dry shampoo when using these ingredients on their own? You'll need about 1 to 3 tablespoons depending on which one you choose and your hair type. Simply drop 1 tablespoon across one hand and spread it out over the second hand. Then pat both of your hands on your head. Work the powder in with your fingers. Let it sit for a few minutes to absorb excess oil, then brush it out and style your hair as desired. Remember that it might take a bit of time to absorb all the oils from your scalp. Give it at least a few minutes. You'll also notice your hair is even more beautiful the next day. If you have a dry shampoo recipe that you use, drop it in the comments below so everyone can benefit from it too. And head over to our video about which nutrients are best for your hair over here to stay up to date on all the best healthy hair tips. Thanks for watching!